Ravla Court is being discussed everywhere right now because the peace has been completely vanished over there. And when you see the issues which are going on in Kashmir right now, the election and everything, that is just coming into a big chaos. Because we can see people, okay, that was fine when there were the protests, there were people coming out and saying things and multiple things which they were demanding for, and of course that was not the reality. The thing behind that, everybody knew about it. But on the other side, the localities which are coming in front of the screen, they are crying, they want to get rid of all that chaos, is really painful to see. Because I have seen multiple videos of Kashmir people who are saying that we want to get rid of all this. What is actually going on? There is nothing peaceful right now. Protests are made to have a peaceful agenda, a peaceful mindset, and something which is actually, that needs something. As we have just seen the protest in India, there was a requirement, and when it was fulfilled, that everything was over there. But right now, when you see the situation in Ravla Court, that is really questionable. I want to share an incident with you people. I have just seen a journalist who said that he was living there for 4 to 5 days, and he said that he talked with other journalists and lawmakers, politicians, and the local peoples. And on the other side, he said that I talked to the protesters as well. So I've been with them. So being with them, and on the other side, like he said that he saw some people coming outside, and they were the armed people, and they didn't really belong to Kashmir. The body language, the face actually they had, and the language, that was kind of different. So he asked them that who are these people. They told him that we don't know who are they, but they are just there to protect us. If anything happens, then they're gonna protect us. Okay, fine. If you are getting help of your people, that is okay. But who are those people coming there in your territory, and they're there to protect you? Because of course they were armed. They were not simple men. And we have seen them firing towards the lawmakers, towards many people who are there to stop them. There are policemen, there are armed people. Everything is just mixed up. And we cannot see that what is the actual agenda of these people. The thing which we can assume is, of course, that maybe the Fitnatul Khawarij, they are helping them. India is helping them. There are people who are enemies of us are helping them just to make chaos everywhere, because there are protests in the world. But when things are becoming this much riots and this much chaosful, then we see that what is actually going on there and who are helping those people. So doing this stuff, hurting your own people, killing the emotions of all people, and coming outside like this, even not caring about the localities. There are multiple people telling that our family members, everybody is getting killed there because of these armed men. And on the other side, there you can see the footages which are out there. Seriously, like these people who are there on the roofs of their houses and everywhere, and they have the guns with them and all that. What is going on there? So this is really questionable. It has to be stopped now. It is unbearable. It is unacceptable, because protests should be very peaceful. Of course, you have your demands and everything. Police comes and stops you, and because when you get too emotional, things become wrong. But when you actually see that what is going on, having no agenda at all, having unknown people with you, having unknown armed people with you, that is really scary, and that has to be stopped. And right now, a proper crackdown is needed there, because a proper crackdown will stop all this. Otherwise, this will ruin all the peaceful moments of all the Kashmir people, and the things are going really wrong there. So you can see the footages, you can see the videos that is really hurtful. People are claiming so many things, they're telling so many things, and thanks to media which is at least there to record things which are coming out. And on the other side, I really want to appreciate our policemen, our armed people who are there to help them. Still they are protecting them, still they are there to sacrifice their lives for them. And I don't know that why is all this going on. So this should be stopped, and the help which they are getting, the aid, the funds which they are getting from JAAC is getting help from the Fitnatul Khawarij, and on the other side, the Indian support which they are having will be exposed, and it is exposed already, because as I have mentioned, the claim which the journalist has made, that the people who were armed, who were unknown, were actually protecting them. So this is a question, that who are they and what is actually going on there in the name of protest.